Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute flower headband. I use 3 mm hook and two different color yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, tie it, make one slip knot. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook into first chain, pull up yarn, slip a stitch. Make one chain, hide this yarn under a stitch. Yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring. Make 1/2 double crochet. Pull through all of these yarns. Yarn over, make 2/2 double crochet, 3/2 double crochet, 4/2 double crochet, 5/2 double crochet, 6/2 double crochet. Insert your hook into first chain, slip a stitch. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch in here. I show in this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip a stitch, go to next stitch, slip a stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip a stitch, go to next stitch, slip a stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to this hole, make 1 double crochet, make 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip a stitch, and continue for this round like these stitches. Go to last stitch, slip a stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip a stitch, go to next hole, slip a stitch, and chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 30 chains in here. Make 1, 2, 3 more chain, skip 1, 2, 3 chain, go to 4th chain, slip a stitch, make 1 ring in here, make a chain, yarn over, go to this hole, I show, make 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 5, 6 half double crochet. Go to first chain, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 8 9 10 chains, skip 1 2 3 chains, go to this chain, a slip stitch, and repeat this in here. Make 1 chain, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, make 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet, 5, 6 half double crochet, go to first chain, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 8 9 10, skip 3 chains, go to this chain, a slip stitch, and make same as this stitch. I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 of these stitches. If you want to crochet larger than this headband, you can add to these stitches. Make chains, chaining in here, after crochet these chains, skip 1 2 3 chains, go to this chain, a slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 half double crochet, a slip stitch, make 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 3 chains, a slip stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, a slip stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, a slip stitch, and repeat this for 6 times in here. Make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 3 chains, a slip stitch. I crochet this, change color, go to this first stitch in here, like this, insert your hook, change color, pull up yarn, make a chain, add 1 2 chain, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 half double crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, 1/2 double crochet. In here make 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to here, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, 1 2 3 chains, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, slip stitch. I repeat 1 2 3 4 like this. In here go to these chains, slip stitch, slip stitch, make 1 slip stitch in each stitch, slip stitch, make 3 chains, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, and continue like this for next stitches. Slip stitch in these chains, make 1 slip stitch in each stitch, go to first chain, slip stitch, make chains, and continue. I crochet until here like this. In here, in last of this stitch, go to first stitch, slip stitch, make 3 chains, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, and repeat like this. Go to same stitch, slip stitch, go to next stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch, go to next stitch, and repeat like this for these stitches. Slip stitch and complete this flower, first flower, slip stitch, go to these chains, slip stitch, make 1 slip stitch in each stitch, slip stitch, go to here, make a slip stitch and make 1 2 3 chains and repeat. Make last 3 chains, go to this stitch, a slip stitch,